2021 Ford Bronco bogger looks like a retro dirt master in sharp rendering. Now, over 190,000 people have placed reservations for the 2021 Ford Bronco after the truck-based SUV was revealed back in July. Still, with the blue oval recently pushing back the first deliveries to the summer of 2021, some enthusiasts are feeling the burden of the extended wait. Well, the rendering we have here might just help you with that wait. Check it out. Now, looking past all the cool features this maker has introduced in the 6th generation Bronco, as well as the accessories that will be available from the company, the aftermarket will play a massive role in the life of this newcomer. The proposal envisioned the Ford as a mud bogger, hence the title above, albeit, with the uber clean state of the machine, meaning this will undoubtedly act as an attention magnet, and boy, it's going to get some crazy attention. This is just bad as. Now, gone is the independent front suspension that gives the new Bronco that kind of ability it needs for the asphalt runs. We're looking at a solid axle for both ends of the vehicle. While there's also a lift kit for days, the roll bar and the bush guard with the extra light they pack complete the custom look of this Ford Bronco. And guys, this is just awesome. I mean, just look at that. Boy, imagine this going down the street. It's straight up awesome, folks. The massive Go Anywhere bumper is wrapped around in bespoke Wilcox ORT wheels, which is just straight up awesome, folks. The digital label Sad Machines, which is responsible for this rendering, and this work they have gone to great lengths to ensure that the retro appearance is what it should be. And what we have here is just something awesome, boy. This is just great. Here's how the label described its creation. The classic style meets the modern platform. The 2021 Bronco decked out with a throwback twist. And boy, is it awesome. Take a look at this. This is the Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Woo-wee! This is awesome. The 2021 Bronco is back in effect. Hey, Automotive Reviews.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.